time to celebrate our Independence Day with fireworks. Fireworks? Every 4th of July is a fantastic day for fireworks. Today's the day we celebrate the freedom line for me and you. And there's the light exploding high above us in red, whites, and blues. Independence Day, soldiers standing proud, lights up in the sky. Keep them for our freedom, the 4th of July. Look at all the crowds with patriotic pride. I'm proud to be American today. Did you know that on July 4th, 1776, our forefathers signed the Declaration of Independence? Fireworks? Time to celebrate our Independence Day with fireworks. Fireworks? Every 4th of July is a fantastic day for fireworks. Today's the day we celebrate the freedom won for me and you. The first of light is floating high above us in red, whites, and blues. Independence Day, the soldiers standing proud, lights up in the sky.